down, I know you got me, baby.
Hello guys, Namaste, good evening, welcome back to my channel once again after a long time. अनि म चाहिँ अहिले यो सनाइको कफी रोस्टरी हाउसमा चाहिँ आएको छु। हाम्रो आज नितेश भाइको प्र्याक्टिसको लागि चाहिँ यो ठाउँमा आएर हामी भित्रको भाइको प्र्याक्टिसहरू देखाउन लागिरहेको छु। गाइस सो अब चाहिँ अहिले चाहिँ हाम्रो भाइ नितेश भाइले चाहिँ यहाँ खतरा पहिलाको कुराहरू चाहिँ फेरि रिमाइन्ड गरेर चाहिँ हामीले बनाउन लागिरहेको छ। हेरौँ कस्तो हुन्छ भाइको आजको हिडन ट्यालेन्ट चाहिँ भाइले।
Roastery and maintenance department. Our old friend. It's a long time, 7 years. Welcome back from UA. Welcome back, bro.
Thank you.
Then, how you will know if your coffee is good? Yeah, you have to calibrate first your machine, grinder machine. Then grinding on it, you have to use a scale to grammage the ground of coffee and then extract it using by you still how to steam. No more? Steaming. The same way I teach you before. Middle, and then turn it sideways and 45 degrees. Short milk is 60 to 65. 62. You can have the milk. Yeah, you can touch it. That's it. It's not too hot.
Yeah, it's very perfect.
It's not too hot, so the good thing of that one, if you go from the standard to 60 to 65,
Yeah.
the taste of the coffee will not burn the espresso. So pouring, slow pouring, then make art. Simple as like that. You can have your coffee.
Perfect.
Okay. Then let us start Nitesh how to do his coffee.
ल गाइस सो अब चाहिँ भाइले बनाउँदैछ। हेरौँ भाइको कला भाइले बिर्सिसकेको हो कि। Yeah. Where we can see the temperature, for the milk?
The temperature.
Feel only we can. Okay.
Still, you need to practice more. You forget everything right now, but it's still you're still not afraid to touch the machine.
Yeah. How
And
long?
high pouring.
After how long?
low.
How many years after you making?
See? Ay, ay. You can still have it.
Wow, it's perfect.
But now it's shaking.
Yeah.
Still, you know how to art.
I can try this.
Yeah, you can try. You can try.
Okay. So guys, so म चाहिँ ट्राई गर्न लागिरहेको छु भाइले बनाएको कफी। It's okay.
You can.
भएन पानी बढेको क्या पानी भएन भएन थ्याङ्क यू गाइज मलाई चाहिँ एकदमै गाह्रो लाग्यो यो म्यानुअल मेसिनमा सो अब हामी चाहिँ यो अटोमेटिक मेसिन मसिन चलाइराख्ने बानीले चाहिँ यो चाहिँ एकदमै गाह्रो हुँदो रहेछ सो यसको लागि फेरि ट्रेनिङ गर्नै पर्ने रहेछ क्या सो यसको लागि चाहिँ मैले आज दुईचोटि बनाएँ दुईचोटि मेरो कफी एउटा त स्टिम राम्रो भएन मिल्क स्टिम राम्रो भएन अर्को चाहिँ यो फर्स्ट टाइम मैले यो सानो पिक्चर होइन स्मल पिक्चर चलाएको अनि त्यही भएकोले गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ राम्रो बनाउन सकिएन फेरि पनि यसको लागि ट्रेनिङ लिएर चाहिँ आगामी दिनहरूमा फेरि तपाईँहरूलाई राम्रो राम्रो भिडियो चाहिँ कफी बनाएको भिडियोहरू चाहिँ लिएर आउनेछु मेरो ब्लगमा यदि भन्दै गाई सो अहिलेको लागि फेरि हामी थोरै यो विषयमा यहाँभित्र भएको जस्तो कफी मेसिनहरूको विषयमा इन्ट्रोड्युस गर्नेछु फर्स्ट अफ अल ब्रो वेलकम टु माई भिडियो ओके so okay I want to ask you something about this method so what color of this method you say
This one is V60.
okay B60 yeah
Drip coffee.
okay and how many gram of this coffee grind and how
Actually, I'm using now Ethiopian Arabic Ethiopia. I'm using 20 gram.
20 gram
20 gram. of
for
it,
how
yeah.
many like cup or for how many like for the people
The
like
ratio
this
is I will use between 1 to 15.
150
1 to 15.
One.
This one it will be like how many cup you want
oh
or
yeah
how many people.
yeah for the how many
Yeah, almost like
for the 20 gram you said yeah
20 gram.
okay
Yeah. For
so
like 2 or 3 people only.
and should be how many gram for the all water and this
The water it depends about how you will pour your coffee.
okay
Yeah. And like now, I will pour the coffee on like 4 times.
okay
Every time have different. I will drop like 100 to 110 water.
okay
It's have timing, so I have to finish the water with the, like almost 3 minutes.
Okay.
So at least it will give you the taste of the coffee.
coffee yeah
Yeah.
so we need to hold 3 minutes
Yeah, almost.
almost yeah,
Yeah.
It's, then it becomes very nice flavor
Yeah, it depends about your ratio, how much you want to make
okay,
your
okay,
ratio.
okay,
If you want to make it, if you want to make it cold, different. If you want to make it hot, also is different. And the V60 it will give you the flavors of the coffee more than the espresso.
yeah this is stronger than espresso
It's like yes, the flavors of the coffee you will notice it on the V60 more than the espresso.
yeah
And the espresso have different type of beans, and V60 have a different type of beans.
oh yeah like this
Yeah.
so we cannot make in the B60
No,
like
no.
like other beans
It also depends about the roast of the roast beans.
oh roast
Maybe
beans,
you can the beans you can roast it for the espresso
Espresso.
and the filter, or the espresso separate and filter separate.
wow
Yes,
okay
this one
first
is
time
calling like filter coffee.
okay
Filter coffee have V60, have Chemex, have cold brew. It have a lot of type of coffee.
so first time चाहिँ मैले आज यो थाहा पाएँ हैन wow aroma of this one very nice you know citrus so, thank you so much for sharing your knowledge bro
welcome.
so where are you from which
I'm from
actually?
Syria.
Syria
Yes.
oh nice Syria so how long you have been here this in company this
I
company
will go to 4 years in UAE.
4 years
Yeah.
and this company like this
4 years.
4 years
Yeah.
direct from
Direct, yeah.
okay
So I came, I found my first job here, so I continue direct. I didn't.
and how is it here is good you like
Very
you
nice, yeah.
oh thank you so
Depends
much
about how the people with you.
yeah
people good with you, You will stay.
of course
10
bro.
years.
and great to see you bro so what is your name
My name is Omar.
Omar
Yeah.
my name is Vikas so
Nice
great
to meet you, bro.
yeah great to see you and thank you so much for sharing
You're
your
welcome anytime.
knowledge yeah
You're welcome
this is B60 yeah
Yes,
V60.
Ethiopian V60.
V60,
And Arabic.
okay. Thank you so much
You need to put it in chemicals. You will remove all the parts from the machine and put it in chemicals down. That chemicals.
okay
So you will remove all the stain, the limestone, everything. So it will be renewed.
it's been now it's almost done this machine
Yeah. Now
So,
this one is almost
okay so and let me one thing so how is the like price of this market value now this
The
if-
market value of this is like 18,000. It has a double group. In a single group, you can have it like 15,000, just like that. 11,000. That one. That is the price of the
And
market.
what about this one? This machine is very nice, you know, looking also very nice and bigger.
That is
than,
the branded machine. That is the branded machine with a lot of controls. You can set up everything with it. Only in 3 buttons. The problem of the button, the water is not stopped. So we need to change the electronic parts. And also there is a problem of steam.
Yeah.
So you have to change.
There, I want to know about that machine. So can you
Machine.
explain about this machine?
But 12, Proba 12, maximum of 12 kilo used for business and roastering. So we depend on this Probat machine because it's easily and friendly to use, unlike those Gisen.
And
The Probat selection, the Probat roasting profiles, you can adjust everything about airflow, airflow that maximize that you can target your profile in roasting.
yeah, this is
So
coffee
you
roaster
can-
machine. Yeah, this is called
you
of
can
coffee
play.
roaster machine.
So-
And how much the if like now is in current situation, how much the cost of this
The
machine?
cost of this is 280,000.
250,000 dirham. What is the purpose of this machine? Like
Detecting the moisture of the coffee
Oh
beans,
my
the green beans.
so, and yeah,
And
now let's talk about this all our coffee beans. Yeah, I think this is all coffee beans. Yeah,
This all
and this is
coffee
already
beans.
roastery or
This is green beans.
green beans.
Yeah, this is
Oh.
green beans, not the
Oh my
roasted
god,
beans.
green. Oh, okay, green beans like this, huh?
So green beans, per kilo, it will cost you around 60 dirham, 7%. This from Ethiopia.
From Ethiopia.
Yeah,
all
we have Brazil. This one Brazil for Arabic coffee. We have also this one Indonesia, Kenya. From
and you guys
Colombia.
directly-
import outside the country came from
yeah.
Colombia.
Oh, okay.
And we
okay.
have also here
more.
we have the roasted product, which you can smell
This
from
beans.
the green beans to roastery, and then there's the product. This one,
Which
the
beans
anaerobic
this one?
Ethiopia.
Like roaster.
This one,
Same.
the Ethiopia, anaerobic. Roasted one.
This is after packing.
Yeah, that is
All
the
is
packaging.
roastery and all,
Roastery.
and this is all shaking after then. This one. Okay.
Everything, every beans,
This
we're
packaging from here. You
this packaging for us.
यसको कफी उ गर्ने चाहिँ तिमीलाई थाहा छैन होइन ल गाइस सो हेर्नुहोस् अब यहाँ चाहिँ तपाईँको ग्रिन्स बिन्सलाई लिएर त्यहाँ रोस्टरी गरेर त्यस पछाडि अनि यस्तो प्याक गर्नुहुन्छ गाइस सो तपाईँहरूले देख्नुभयो होइन हामी कफी मात्रै भन्छौँ कफीमा कतिवटा होइन फ्लेभर कति अब फ्लेभर अनुसारको फ्राइज होइन अनि कहाँबाट आएको रिजन होइन सो कफी रिजन ग्रोइङ रिजन yeah, different kind of region, Asia Pacific and Latin America and Africa Pacific बाट चाहिँ तीनवटा रिजन मोस्टली तीनवटा रिजनबाट चाहिँ आएको छ यो कफी बिन्सहरू कफी यो ग्रिन्स बिन्स अनि ग्रिन्स बिन्सलाई लिएर त्यहाँ रोस्टरी गरिसके पछाडि अनि यो प्याक चाहिँ यहाँ बन्दो रहेछ गाइस तपाईँहरूलाई यदि चाहिन्छ हैन तपाईको स्पेशली कफी शपहरूलाई चाहिन्छ भने चाहिँ यहाँ आएर हाम्रो ब्रदरलाई चाहिँ एकदमै भेटेर उहाँसँग डाइरेक्ट कन्ट्याक्ट राखेर चाहिँ तपाईहरु यहाँबाट खरिद गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ यसको लागि चाहिँ म विशेष यहाँको यो स्पेशलिस्ट कफी
Specialty coffee community.
स्पेशली कफी
Community.
मा चाहिँ आएर सम्पर्क गर्नु होला गाइस सो यदि भन्दै थ्यांक यू सो मच फर योर टाइम ब्रदर
Yes, you're welcome. It's a pleasure
so
to
thank
meet
you
you
so much
guys.
for sharing about coffee knowledge. Thank you so much for having time.
You're welcome. I appreciate that
And
you come here.
sorry,
Anytime you can
I
recommend.
forget to ask your name,
My name is Rainer.
Rainer. Thank
Rainer,
you so much,
yeah.
Rainer.
Very
Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Okay. Yeah. ओके थ्याङ्क यू गाइज थ्याङ्क यू सो मच फर ह्याभिङ टाइम है थ्याङ्क यू र यदि भन्दै गाइज सो आजको यो ब्लगलाई चाहिँ यहीँ हामी सिद्धाउन लागिरहेको छौँ आगामी दिनहरूमा यस्तै हामी यो आजको कफी रोस्टरीको हामीले आज भिडियो लिएर आयौँ अनि फेरि पनि अर्को भिडियोहरू चाहिँ यसरी नै यहाँ आएर अन्य चाहिँ कन्टेन्टको साथमा हामी आउनेछौँ म आउनेछु यति भन्दै थ्याङ्क यू सो मच फर वाचिङ माई भिडियो